In today's digital age, the idea of making money online has become increasingly popular. Many people are seeking ways to earn an income from the comfort of their own homes, escaping the traditional 9-to-5 grind. If you're one of those individuals looking for legitimate strategies to make money online and create a lucrative work-from-home lifestyle, then you're in luck. In this article, we'll explore 15 proven methods that can help you achieve financial freedom and enjoy the flexibility that comes with working remotely. Freelancing. Tap into your skills and offer your services as a freelancer. Whether you excel in writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, there are countless platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where clients are eagerly searching for talented individuals like yourself. Virtual assistant. Become someone's right-hand person by providing administrative support remotely. Businesses often require assistance with tasks such as email management, scheduling appointments, or social media management, all of which can be done from home. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in any subject area or possess language skills, consider becoming an online tutor. Platforms such as VIPKid and Tutor.com connect eager learners with knowledgeable tutors who can provide valuable lessons via video conferencing tools. Drop shipping. Start an e-commerce business without worrying about inventory or shipping logistics by utilizing drop shipping platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce combined with suppliers on AliExpress or Oberlo. You simply promote products on your website, and when customers place orders, the supplier handles fulfillment while you earn a profit. Affiliate marketing. Partner up with companies to promote their products through affiliate links on your blog or social media channels. Every time someone makes a purchase using your unique link, you receive a commission. It's that simple. Content creation. Leverage your creativity by creating engaging content in the form of blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Build a loyal audience and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or even selling digital products. Online surveys. Companies are constantly seeking consumer opinions to improve their products and services. Participating in online surveys can be a simple way to earn some extra cash during your free time. E-commerce store. If you have a knack for crafting unique products or sourcing quality goods, consider opening an online store on platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade. You can reach customers worldwide without the need for a physical storefront. Stock trading. Engage in buying and selling stocks from the comfort of your home using online trading platforms such as Robinhood or eToro. However, it's important to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved before diving into stock trading. App development. With smartphones becoming an integral part of our lives, there is a constant demand for innovative mobile applications. If you have coding skills or know someone who does, creating apps can be highly lucrative. Online courses. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. People are always eager to learn new skills. Why not capitalize on that? Social media management. Many businesses struggle with managing their social media presence effectively. This is where you come in. Offer your services as a social media manager and help companies grow their online following while earning money from home. Web design. In today's digital world, having an appealing website is crucial for business's success. However, not everyone has design skills. If you're proficient in web design tools like WordPress or Squarespace, offer your services as a freelance web designer. Virtual events organizer. As more events transition into virtual spaces due to current circumstances, become an event organizer specialized at organizing virtual events. Help people host conferences, webinars, and workshops. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field or possess valuable life experiences, consider becoming an online coach. Whether it's career coaching, fitness coaching, or personal development, people are willing to pay for guidance and mentorship. By exploring these 15 legitimate strategies, you can embark on a journey towards financial independence and create a lucrative work-from-home lifestyle. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. Choose the strategy that resonates with your skills and interests the most, then dive in headfirst. With determination and hard work, you'll be well on your way to making money online while enjoying the freedom of working from home. In conclusion, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. The digital landscape offers countless opportunities for individuals seeking to escape the traditional office environment and embrace a flexible work-from-home lifestyle. By tapping into freelancing platforms, starting an e-commerce business through drop shipping or affiliate marketing, creating content or courses online. There are numerous paths to financial success at your fingertips. So why wait? Take action now. Explore these strategies further by conducting research on each method mentioned here while considering how they align with your skills and goals. Embrace this new era of remote work possibilities where earning income from home is not only possible but also highly rewarding both financially and personally.